नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय श्लोका 29 क्षुत्क्षामौ तौ निरीक्ष्यैव पुनः स्वापपरायणौ ऋषिश्चिन्दापरो जातः किं विधेयं मयेति च क्षुत्क्षामौ तौ निरीक्ष्यैव. If it comes with au, that means it is referring to two. So, Kshut Kshamau, that means they are the two sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnana and Vairagya. They are very much hungry. Tau means sons. Nirikshaiva, that means they are very much in an half conscious state by seeing them. Niriksha means watching them. So, Kshamau Tau Nirikshaiva. That means seeing them emaciated with hunger. That means their hunger is not able to fulfill, satisfied. Puna Swapa Parayanau. Puna means again. Swapa Parayanau means the recitation continued. Puna Swapa Parayanau. The recitation of Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, everything continued. Kshamau Tau Nirikshaiva Puna Swapa Parayanau. That means even though the Narada Muni continued to recite all the Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, the hunger of the both the sons of Bhakti Devi was not able to satisfy, and they were still in the half consciousness state. They were not able to completely wake up or get energized. Rishi Chinda Paro Jataka. Rishi. Here the Rishi is the sage. That is Narada Muni. Chinda Paro. Chinda means thought. Paro means another way. Jataha means anxious. Rishi Chinda Paro Jataka. That means the sage who is the Narada Muni started getting anxious and started another way of thought. King Vidheyam Mayeticha. Kim means how. Vidheyam, completed or done. Mayedi. Mayedi means by me. Sha, with. Kim Vidheyam Mayeticha. What can be done by me? Rishichinda Parojadaka King Vidheyam Mayedicha. The Narada Muni became so anxious and started thinking another way of what can be done to get them energized, the sons of Bhakti Devi. Chutchamau tau nirikshaiva puna swapaparayanav rishichindaparojadaka kim videyam mayedicha. So, after seeing the two sons of Bhakti Devi, Jnana and Vairagya, who were emaciated with hunger and they inclined to relax into drowsiness and go back to their sleep, their heads were like hanging in the neck as if they were not able to hold the head upright. That much tiredness they had. So the sage was filled with anxiety and started thinking of another way of what can be done by the sage to get them back to their original state. Kshutchamau tau nirikshaiva punasvabaparayanau rishichinda jataka kim vidheyam mayeti cha. Thank you.